Van harte welkom op de Axians Industrie dagen.
Herzlich willkommen bei den Axians Industrie Days.
Bonjour, bienvenue à l'Axians Industrie Days.
Bienvenidos a Axians Industrie Days.
Well, it's a great event, sharing knowledge about things that are going on in the industry market throughout the world, sharing good knowledge, interesting reference cases with international colleagues, really inspiring days.
It was a very good event, I think. Very lot of presentations of different skills in different countries. It's very good for me. I have a very good feedback about this 2 days in Paris.
For me, it was extremely valuable to see all the business cases that were presented. I think it's a great idea to show the examples from our clients, from the customers.
A great opportunity actually to work together with Axians Netherlands on an IoT platform topic that they are currently developing on a conceptual and architectural level, whereas we in Germany we've already written code that might fit perfectly well into this concept. So this is the kind of next step. Yeah, we're going to share it. The teamwork that has been done on both sides and see whether we can do a joint architecture and create joint business out of that.
We see also popping up, I think, a lot of synergies between Axians and Actemium. So it was very useful. On top of that, I think also the formula here in the factory is very nice. It was a very good mix between plenary sessions and then more dedicated sessions to concrete cases and then some demos. So I think a very good formula, and I'm planning to apply the same formula also in Belgium.
For me, the most interesting thing is that sometimes we struggle with things, and it's good to see how other countries deal with this kind of struggles, what solutions they have, and that we can learn from these solutions.
It's real, and that's a good thing because 5 years ago we were doing PowerPoints on what we can do in IoT, and now you can really show that we have done already a lot of things.